If you haven't connected Claude with WordPress yet, now's the time. With Claude, you can generate high-end, fully AI-generated websites with your favorite page builder in just a few prompts. You can also create dozens of pages with the same design style in order to help you rank for SEO. And you can fully optimize your entire website, including all your pages, in about 20 seconds. It takes all the grunt work out of WordPress so you can focus on you and your business. So today I'll show you how to connect Claude with WordPress, and it's actually gotten a lot easier. You don't need to adjust any JSON files, you don't need to know any code, and you don't need to use the terminal either. All you need to do is copy and paste a link and you're done. It's really simple, so let me show you how to do it. So here's my WordPress website. Looks really good, right? Now what we're first gonna do is install a plugin. This is gonna connect Claude with WordPress. So in the video description, there is a link to Novamira AI, and this is the free plugin that we're gonna use to connect Claude with our website. So once you get here, you'll click on download for free, and then you'll click on download zip. You can also sign up for their newsletter. They do give you important updates every time they add an MCP, so it is pretty useful. But going back to our website, we're now going to upload that plugin. So let's go over here to dashboard. Next thing we'll do is go over here to plugins and click on add plugin. Here at the top, I'll click on upload plugin, and then I will upload this plugin right here, Novamira. I'll just drag and drop it, and then I'll click on install now. All right, then I'll click on activate. All right, so once you install Novamira, here at the top left right here, you'll see Novamira. Just click on configuration. The first thing that you'll do is enable AI abilities. So right here, I'll check this box and click on save settings. You'll now see that you have two methods. We have application password and we have OAuth. We're going to select this one right here. We're going to authenticate it through our browser. So I'll select authentication. I will then select Claude Desktop. And then here we have some options. So we're first going to open connectors. We're going to copy this link. And then we're also going to give Claude this link here as well. So let's open up Claude. All right, so I opened up Claude Desktop. Now real quick, just some quick mention, this does not work for the browser, so you must be using the desktop version of Claude, whether you're using PC or Mac. And once you open up Claude Desktop, you're gonna go over here and go to your settings. Now, instead of going to developer this time, there was a big update. We're gonna go to connectors and we're just gonna manually connect this. So here at the top, I'll click on add, and then I'll click on add custom connector. Now we're just gonna copy and paste this information from Novamira. So going back to our WordPress websites, the first thing I wanna do is add the custom connector. So here I'll copy this name and then go to the name section and then paste that right there. And the next part is we're now going to copy and paste the server URL. So here I'll click on copy, and then under remote MCP server URL, you'll just go ahead and paste that there and you're done. Then I'll click on add. Now, right now it's saying we are not connected to NovamiraWilsonator.com yet. So first thing you'll do is click on connect. This will now open up a new browser. Next, it'll ask you to authorize the authentication. Now, real quick, just a heads up, you should be logged into your WordPress website. So this will open up your website in a new tab, but just make sure that you're logged in so it doesn't disrupt the login flow. So once you see this page, you'll then click on authorize. After that, it's going to tell you to open the desktop app. Now you do need to click this, so just make sure that you click on open desktop app. And now it says we are now connected to NovamiraWilsonator.com, and you'll now see that we are now connected to our WordPress website. Now before we test this out, I do want to let you guys know that if you want things to be auto-approved when you're building your website or you're using this with WordPress, you should change these to always allow. So for example, discover abilities, get ability info, or execute ability. It's really up to you if you want to approve these or not, but me personally, I just put it on auto-approve. This does speed up the process when you're using Claude with WordPress, but it's totally optional. You don't have to do this. I'm just kind of explaining to you what these options are. Next, let's close this window and let's open up a new tab and let's ask it if it's connected now. So here, are you connected to AIWilsonator.com? Now, real quick, if I click on this plus tab, if I go over here to connectors, you should see that your website is now connected. So right here, you can see AIWilsonator.com is connected. If you want to turn this off, you can just, uncheck it and that'll turn it off. But let's just see if this is connected. So it says, yes, I've gotten WordPress MCP connection to Wilsonator.ai. So at this point, Claude and your WordPress website are now fully connected. Now there's some very useful things that you can do when Claude is connected to WordPress. It doesn't just help you with just basic things like make a new page. It can really do other things on your WordPress website. So let me give you a few examples. So in this specific case, I want to actually create multiple pages for this specific website, and I want those pages to rank for specific keywords. In this specific example, this is a therapy website, and I want to create other pages that revolve around this design, but I also want to rank for keywords. So for example, best therapist in Los Angeles, best group therapist in Los Angeles. So if you want to create different pages around your initial design and also try to rank for those pages, let me show you how. So the first thing I'll ask it to do is do keyword research based off the actual websites and give 3-page examples so I can rank in Google. So essentially, I'm just getting keyword ideas before I create the pages. So it gave us 3 different pages that we can create in order to help our business. So it gave us affordable therapy in Los Angeles, therapy that accepts Medi-Cal in Los Angeles, and online addiction counseling in California. Now, I want Claude to create these pages, but I also want it to carry the same design structure on my website so it doesn't like stand out or look AI-ish, right? So here I'll enter this prompt. Create these pages. Make sure to carry the same web design style and structure on the websites. Add a lot of information here to help users find what they need. Give examples, create tables, and make these pages comply with the Google Helpful Content updates. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sure you've heard about a lot of big websites getting hits, and that's because they're not adding information that's helpful. So I do want to add info on this page that will actually answer the query of whatever the user is searching for. So I'll go ahead now and run this prompt. Okay, and after waiting about, I'd say waited about 15 minutes, and now generated these 3 pages right here. So let's just take a look and see what they created. So I'll go ahead and open up this link. And here's the first one, affordable therapy in Los Angeles. And here it's carrying the design. Really good, I do like this. And this is the benefits of using Novamira, is that it has an MCP for Elementor and other page builders, where it'll actually utilize the elements here and create you a really nice page just like this in a matter of, like not like minutes, but like, 10, 15 minutes, it'll create a few pages. Let's check out the other pages. And here is the Medi-Cal page, and same thing, but we have a really cool table right here. They're comparing different plans, who it covers, a bunch of really useful information. Here we have some cards. We have Medi-Cal coverage. And then here, if you don't have Medi-Cal, they can say you could still qualify. And what's really cool is they also interlink your website with other pages. I mean, this is really useful. And then right here, they have a call to action. And this is utilizing the same design on our homepage. So as you can see, it can learn from the designs on your website and it can apply those on various pages. Now, let me show you how to quickly optimize your entire website with just one prompt. Now this is really simple. So whatever plugin that you're using, if you're using Rank Math, using All-in-One SEO or Yoast, you can just tell Claude to fully optimize the entire website. So I'm using the Rank Math plugin. Fully SEO optimize the entire website, titles, meta tags, add interlinking, and so on. And then I'll go ahead and run this prompt. And boom, so it fully SEO optimized the entire website. It also sets pages on my website to no index, such as the style guide, the coming soon, and the form. So it really knows its stuff, to be honest. And we can test this out by going to our website and going to edit page. And now checking the Rank Math plugin here at the top. If I click on this, you will now see they fully SEO optimize the entire snippets with the title and then also the description here as well. Now, some of the other useful things it can do is create plugins. Now, you don't need to create like the next big plugin for WordPress, but you can just create plugins based off your own website needs. For instance, I created this one plugin right here. This is an AI website health summary. I also created a plugin to disable all of the Elementor ads. So in the installed section, if you see this plugin right here, this was created by Darrel Wilson. And what this does is if you go over here and you look at Elementor, it has gotten rid of all the ads. So there's no more notices begging me to upgrade to the Pro. There's also no notices about the Elementor 1 plan or the Hello Elementor theme. I just want to use the page builder, So in this specific case, I disabled all of the ads. And I also created my own booking plugin called Swift Booking. Now, I got to change the name of this. I think I'm changing it to Bocora, but I created this whole entire plugin just through vibe coding, and it's really useful. So for instance, just to give you a quick little example, over here under forms, if I go over here to edits, so here's the actual booking plugin, and we can adjust the style right here. We can also make this compact, and then also we can change like the colors and everything. It's really fast and easy. So for example, they'll just click on something, next step, next step. Here we go, next step, and there you go. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is Novamira Pro. Now, Novamira Pro, first let me scroll up here. Novamira Pro essentially has a bunch of built-in MCPs and skills for a variety of page builders and themes, and they are constantly adding more and more and more. The main idea of this is to have everything in one place. So if you want to use your favorite page builder like Elementor or Divi, and you want to use like, maybe Gutenberg and you're using WooCommerce, it has MCPs and skills for everything. Essentially, this Pro version will make everything more accurate and it'll take less stress off of Claude Fable or Claude or whatever version you're using. And here's the pricing. So they have 3 different pricing, the personal, the agency, and the lifetime. This is good for 3 domains, 1,000 websites, And then this right here is a lifetime plan. Now, you can get away with just using the free version, to be honest, but it is nice to support the developer. But I personally have a pro subscription just because I want to help the developer, because the plugin is really useful. So yeah, I just created this booking plugin myself because I didn't want to have to subscribe to something or subscribe to someone else's plugin. I can just simply make these plugins my own. Now, creating your own booking plugin, it will take you, it will take you a few hours, but I think it's worth it to get out of all these useless subscriptions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Claude is a lot of fun. There's a lot of really creative ways to use AI with WordPress. So go knock yourself out, and I'll see all you party people later.